Good morning, guys. We are back. Let's see. Just made a few trend lines here that I do like. If we can break this, I do like longs. Probably gonna start with around three. Start going a little harder. Really try to get back. We're in the negative now after we had that losing streak the other day. Last week actually, last couple of weeks. But I'd like to hear if we can break this. If not, then we'll go back down. So I'm looking at that right now. Market's gonna open here in around 30 seconds or so. So still looking at this, trying to see what we're gonna do. I do like it. You can keep going, but that's my main watch. Gold, I kind of looked at it, but I'm not really interested. It's just making new highs, or not any highs, but it's just breaking, just going. So don't really know what to do here. So just waiting for it to see if we get something more, and then oil. Actually, I didn't even look at oil, but hmm, shorts here look really good. But we're gonna stick with what we're looking at right now. I do like Nasdaq here, um, so we're gonna see what happens. Let's turn to the 5 minute, and we're open. So let's see what happens here. Start breaking above this 230 level. That's where I'll take a long. If not, we're just gonna wait and see what happens. I don't believe there's any news coming out today. Here we go. We're starting to break here, so we're just gonna wait here. See if we can break there. Hmm. It's having some trouble there, but let's give it a minute. This is a 5 minute. Look at that rejection. Would have been a nice play. I think I'm gonna go here. I do like it here. I think I'm gonna go with three here. It's trying to break. I'm looking at the 1 minute and the other hand, and it's really trying. But let's just wait. Especially after the last couple weeks, gotten really screwed. Look at that look at that perfect rejection, guys. That would have been a great play for some shorts right there, and then boom, look at that. Wow. But we didn't. I'm glad we didn't get into that longs. Waited. But that would have been a perfect. Jeez, that would have been a great entry. Um, let's see what happens here. We really gotta get it above this. We can start playing some longs. If not, we're just gonna chill here, see what happens. And obviously below this and then these lows, we're just gonna keep going down. Hmm. Come on. If we can break this, I do like it all the way to like there. Nice 30-point gain. But we're stuck in this range right now. Let's look at the 1 minute. So see, we're not doing anything. We opened, went all the way up, came back down. It's pushing here now, which is nice. I like this candle. But this next candle's really got to push up, and it's not really doing anything. It's actually kind of coming down, staying in this range right here between 230 and basically 200. You know, so you get a nice push here. We're in longs. I do like it here. Starting to push. Come on, see, but it's that 230 guys. That's not just not breaking. Come on. And let's see where we're gonna. If we do get into this, where I would like to probably around there. That's where I would really like to. 270. It's a nice 40 point push if we can get really start pushing, but it seems like it's having some trouble. Alright, I like it here. Yeah, I think we're gonna start going up. There we go. Now we're in, guys. There we go. That's where we're gonna look at. And stop loss 775. That's what we're looking at right now. So you get a nice push up. There we go. Now we're pushing. Come on. There we go. So this is where that's what we're looking for, that 270, so 268. If we get above like this 250, that's where I'm probably gonna move stop loss to break even or even a little higher in profit, so we can really start pushing up. But I like it here. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Let's go. Up $50 now. There we go. There we go. Let's move this up. Let's look at the 1 minute now, guys. Perfect. Yeah, down $18. Perfect. Up around $50. There we go. 72. Now we're pushing. Get a nice little push up. If you can push this and break that, the 2050, the 250, that's what we got to break. Hopefully it doesn't come back and stop us out, but that's what we're looking at. I like this, that break. Keep pushing to that 200. Oh, hit our stop loss. That's unfortunate, guys. I still like it here, guys. That's very unfortunate, though. But it went up, came back. That's unfortunate, hit our stop loss. We were only up $50, so hit us. We're down $20 now. But I really liked it there to keep going. And there we go. There's that push. It's crazy. I would have pushed this up to like around there, but it is what it is. What are you gonna do? That's what happens sometimes. Let's see what happens. If we can get up here, see what if we can take. I take a short here because I do like here for rejection. It's a stronger resistance, but we'll see. Yeah, that was a play, guys. Should have kept it. Maybe even under a little lower still. Now it's breaking. See, that was perfect. This candle right here got us right here, and went because we were like I think around there or something, but now it's coming back. Huh? That's unfortunate, but we're only down $20 so far, so not bad. And I ain't keeping my risk very tight because first of all because we're in red, we're trying to get back into green, but also because we're playing with 3 or even 5 sometimes now. So I really am trying to really push it higher. So we're just waiting here, see what happens now. I think we might have to wait a little longer, so I might I might finish the video, end the video here right now, and then wait to see what happens next and come back later. I don't know if I'll take this long here, but I will. Might take, if it goes up here, a short right there. So, we'll see what happens, but I'm going to wait. I don't want to take a long there just because of it. So, alright, we'll end it here for now, guys. Alright, guys, we're back here again. I'm liking this. We came back down, retested this. I missed this entry right here, which is really annoying. But I do like it here, guys. Keep it going. I'm waiting on this 5 minute to see what happens here. But I like it here to keep going up. So I am going to take a very risky position, take 3 here and see what happens. But I do like here to keep going up.
Order filled.
There we go. I am going to move my stop loss. It's going to be tight. Nothing crazy. $100 or so. And I am looking for this again. Yeah, somewhere around there. So I do like it up just because we're keeping it up. And I do like to see if you can keep pushing up all the way to this level. This is the level we were talking about before. I'm upset because I missed this entry. I was looking at it, and I had my entry right here and my other one, and it didn't hit all the way down. It was just exactly literally to what I was thinking of by the tick, and then it just blew up. But that's okay, you know, it is what it is. Now we're hoping this. We're not hoping. I like here for longs. Came back. Look at this nice candle right at the 5 minute. Nice and made. So I really like it to keep pushing up, right to this area, and then we'll see. But if not, we have a $97 stop loss there, and that will probably end my day. And just, see what happens here. I did go with 3, just because I really am trying to kind of make up for the last weeks and try to pick up the pace. Going with 1 is just gonna take too long. So, we can get a nice push here. Now it's just patience and waiting. If we can break this high, I'll move this to stop to break even, because then we'll really get a nice push. We're really pushing the new highs, but we'll see here what happens. I just like this. I love this candle, and then now it closed above, and not there we go. Now we're pushing. There we go. Now we're pushing. Okie dokie. Now let's go to the 1 minute. There we go. There we're not. Like I said, 43. Let's see. Keep pushing up. Let's take 1 off right there, just because. Yeah. Let's see if hopefully it doesn't hit us, but. Wow, that was like really close. But let's take 1 then, just take a partial, just because you don't want to come back and just get it hit. It broke. That's why I was moving mine to stop loss.
Order filled.
Okay, that's 1 there, guys. Perfect. So, at least we're back to break even for the day. There we are. We're pushing now. Perfect. Up $66. Come on. Break even. Don't hit us again. Well, at least we're breaking for the day, but this is why I take partials, guys, because it comes back down and then it hits us, and then, we made no money. Like right now, we're up $66, and then
order
it hits
filled.
Us. Now we're up $8. But it is what it is. So that's what I mean, guys. So that's why taking partials is so important, because we were down $20. Now we're up $8, which is, we're basically breaking in for the day. But, it is what it is. You just got to keep playing. A little green for the day. Nothing crazy. See if we can get a nice little push up. But I'm just going to wait now and see what happens. And I think I'll stop for right there for now. And we'll wait up and then see if we get another opportunity. All right, guys. We're back. This guy went all the way up there. Now it's hitting this, what we said we were looking at for the shorts. So I'm waiting for it to just hit it, get a good hit there, and then we'll take some shorts, just like I said. Yeah, Get a nice push here. We'll take some shorts. You got a nice push here. I'd like to take some shorts, like I said, but let's see what happens. It's kind of sucked, guys, because we had this. We were in here. We were here twice, and that's why we're still a red. But this red candle messed us up, because if it wasn't for this red candle, literally went up to our PT right now, we would have been able to get out. I think it's gonna be like 200, 300 profit. But that's trading kind of wiki right now, so which kind of sucks, because that would have been a breakout here would have hit us all the way up to here, like it just hit, and unfortunately it didn't. And is it not gonna fill us now? Probably not gonna fill us now. That's very unfortunate. I think I should have just taken the 3 right there. But let's see, hopefully he can break this, kind of go back here, and then come back down. Let's see. I was looking at gold in the meantime, and gold, there's like literally nothing to do with gold besides this. It just had this huge breakout. This is all just jumbo mumbo. So unless you guys all the way to here, that's a short right there. But besides here, there's nothing to do. Oil, I was looking at it. I like this nice double bottom. It has to break this, and then I would love to take longs here. So I'm waiting for this. But besides here, there's nothing here to do. This is just it's not doing anything really. The only thing I would probably
order
like
filled.
Here, oh, we got filled in that short, guys. Let's see what's going on here. Thank you. Oh wow! Wow, that was bad. It just what was there? Did we have news? Oh, 10 a.m. Did we have news or something? Wow, I didn't even wasn't even able to adjust my stop loss or anything. That's unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. Cause I wasn't. Oh man, I think I messed up the 10 a.m. news. So let's see now. Well, we're kind of in here now. I think if it breaks, I'll keep it at 200 now, guys, cause I'm in this. Unfortunately, just in it. Wasn't expecting 10 a.m. I don't know why I didn't check that. That's very unfortunate. Very, very unfortunate.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's unfortunate, guys. Down $200 basically, but this just hit. What did it have? What's going on? Is that what it was? ISM services forecasted came out. That's unfortunate, guys. We're gonna call it a day there. That's just unlucky. I mean, that's actually my fault for not checking the 10 a.m. news. It's so annoying because the first 2 plays we had were longs, and that would have helped us so much. And now it's we took a red trade there without even thinking it. I wasn't even worried about it because I was thinking if it hits us, it'll come back here and then maybe come back down here, or we'll take a slight loss. But as you saw, I didn't even have time to adjust my stop loss because it just flew up on the 10 a.m. news. So it's unfortunate, but we'll take the loss there, guys, and we'll call it a day there.